Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to change time format on Android phone from 24 hours to 12 hours or 12 hours to 24 hours. And first of all, we can open our settings application on our Android phone and we can scroll down until we find the general management setting. This one, tap on this setting and you're going to tap on the date and time option. Okay, and here you can change your time format, and here I'm using 24-hour format, and if you want to change it, you just need to click on the toggle button. If you want to use 24-hour format, you can activate this option like this, but if you want to use 12 hours format, you can disable this option like this. Okay, now as you can see that my time format has been changed. Here I'm using a 12 hours format. And it's up to you. You can choose 24-hour or 12-hour format. Alright guys, and that's how we can change time format on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.